They've both been practicing for a very long time, yeah? They've managed to do that. They're both doing pretty well, trying to who's doing better at. So when they come up, we're going to give them a big round of applause, see if they can hear us. There we go. No, not standing up yet. No, not loud enough. We're going to have to get them to stand up first then. So they do it for as long as they fancy. They can't hear each other and they can't hear us. So they do it for a couple of minutes. Yeah, you can do it in the swimming pool, you can do it in the bath. Just make sure someone's watching you. You can have a wee go next time you go swimming and try and do some bubble rings. There we go. So we got John. We'll give John a round of applause. He likes that. There we go. Make her day a nice Right then guys, so we're going to get our divers to do one more trick. Now can everybody make a peace sign for me with both hands please? Make sure they're peace signs so they're facing away from you. And then pop both peace signs very carefully on top of each other. And then you can do it for the divers. We've got to do that, and Donna says that's okay. And Trev knows what he's doing as well, so that's good.
नहीं बना रहे ना मेरी
So we're going to see what our divers managed to do with this funny looking hand symbol. So Trev's going to go first, he's going to go down on his Emily, and he's going to add here. If not, then enjoy the rest of your day guys, and see you all, and I'll see you later.
कैसे हैं आपके ख्यालात इस टनल के बारे में और ये खड़े को बात करने
मेरी एक पिक्चर लेना
जी
कुछ खास
नहीं है चले आपको मायूसी हुई नहीं क्या
आते से पिक्चर ले